Beginning your research with discovery. When you're getting started on an assignment that requires research, you'll be confronted with a wide choice of source material, both in the library and beyond. Initially, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by what seems to be an unlimited universe of information choices. Madison College Libraries now has a Google-like tool called Discovery Search. Your first reaction might be to shrink in horror at yet another way to look for information. Don't worry though, because this tutorial will give you a few suggestions on how and why you should use Discovery to begin your research. At the library homepage, you can begin using Discovery from the Search Anything box. Madison College libraries have plenty of information databases that you can search one by one, but Discovery allows you to search most of them at the same time. In that way, you can get a broad panoramic view of what your information options are on your topic. Let's use the example of a search using the broad concept of diversity. In the Search Everything box, enter our keyword diversity and click Search. That search found nearly 340,000 books, articles, and videos related to the keyword of diversity. One of the first ways we can narrow down the number of results is to limit to the last 5 years. When we do, we get about 1/3 the number of results. When you scan the results of your search, you'll discover that what you have found will relate to different meanings of diversity. Discovery does not know if you meant diversity in a biological sense, as in diversity of species, or if you wish to find materials on ethnic or racial diversity, or you might be interested in a diversity of opinion. Chances are good that you have found results related to all those meanings, so you will have to discover a way to weed out those that are less helpful. Next, you can choose what formats you want to consider. Are you going to stick to books and print? Can you use videos? Or do you want to read articles first? Discovery allows you to limit your results to just those formats you prefer to use. You can also limit your results to articles only to get some ideas of what research both scholars and journalists have done on this topic. It can be a little hard to tell specifically what the author is discussing just from the title. So if you click View Full Text, you will get a better idea. So yes, the article discusses diversity, but in this case, it's about diversity in a biological sense. The second article, however, discusses diversity in its social sense, in this case, ethnic and values diversity. In general, our article databases provide a clearer platform for more specific, in-depth research. Nevertheless, Discovery is a great way to search the library's collection across many different resources. If you find you have questions, there are a number of different ways to ask us. Thank you for viewing this HOWLER tutorial.